What is the largest island in the world? Is it A. Greenland, B. Australia, C. Madagascar, or D. Borneo? Take a moment to think about it. The answer is A. Greenland. It's fascinating how this massive landmass is often overlooked due to its icy reputation. Now, let's move on to the next question. What is the capital of Canada? Is it A. Toronto, B. Ottawa, C. Vancouver, or D. Montreal? Think carefully. The correct answer is B. Ottawa. This city is not just the political heart of Canada, it's also rich in history and culture. Keep these facts in mind, and remember, geography is full of surprises.